Kaizer Chiefs have officially announced Fernando de Cruz and Utabo Moleisane, as I reported in a few weeks back. So, bafethu, kule video I won't be talking kakhulu. I'll be talking about the appointment of Fernando de Cruz and the announcement of the new defender Utabo Moleisane, and also. Fernando de Cruz is set to come with his assistant coach and other technical staff. So, Bafethu, let's just jump straight into it together.
Talk about a man on fire.
Tactics. You're there, ball.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel. This is Amakosi Stand Podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa bhe. I am your host, Manqoba Ngcobo, all the way from a great town. Bafethu, namhlanje nginiphathele zona zishisa bhe. So make sure ukuthi you subscribe to the channel, watch the full video, and also comment down below ukuthi ucabanga nge-content enginiphathele yona namhlanje. Bafethu, Kaizer Chiefs have officially announced Fernando de Cruz as our new head coach for the next season 2026-2027. I reported this news a few weeks back. Ukuthi the closer sources to Kaizer Chiefs have reported that their new coach will be Fernando de Cruz. And some of my subscribers were not happy, and some even said this was not true. But it has happened. Bafethu, Fernando de Cruz will be our new head coach. He will be coming with his own assistant coach and also sports science. Into kanjalo. So, Bafethu, I want us to dig deeper on this technical team of Fernando de Cruz. Firstly, Fernando de Cruz will be the head coach. His assistant will be Mahmoud Abbas from Egypt. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing his name correctly, but Abbas will be his assistant coach. And also, he will come with Julian Lee Herelan, Sports Direct Science. So that's the only two I know from for now. That he will come with Uzozanabo, and then I was told ukuthi he will also work with one of the South Africans coaches or staff, and you can put Dylan Shepard there to be added on that technical team. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but kuthiwa coach will be adding one or two South Africans to his technical team. So Dylan Shepard can come in as a second assistant good technical team ka Fernando de Cruz. You can also look for our goalkeeper coach ukuthi ubani, maybe the other guy from owayi goalkeeper coach last season, if I'm not mistaken, can also jump in, or we will look for a new one. I don't know, but Fernando de Cruz will join the team and start working with the team before the preseason. So Yanuzoba joiner, where are the guys going? Sengikhohle ukuthi amajesi aya kuphi for preseason, but they will be out of the country. So yena uzoba joina lapho ke, and yeah, I think coach, I hope coach will do good work at Kaizer Chiefs and succeed, and also I hope that he will be not sacked early. Lento kushintsha coach every season, we are changing coaches is not good. Every season we are changing coaches. Every season we have to like adapt to a new style. This is bad. This is not good. Leon they destroyer club philosophy club is not okay. But I hope Fernando de Cruz can come in and succeed lapha eklabhini and bring us glory days. I'm not saying he will come and take Premier League position number one lapha kwi-Premier League, but I think he can do a better job. And also uKaizer Gaze has been appointed by Esikhukhune, and the other guy sengibakhohle ngisho amagama yena appointed eDurban City. So we will have rivals, coach rivals in the same league yabo. So nje next season will be tough. So I hope our coach is prepared and will work hard to make this club succeed. Another announcement that was made official by Kaizer Chiefs is our new and first signing of Kaizer Chiefs for next season, Thabo Moloisane. Kaizer Chiefs have officially posted on their platforms ukuthi Moloisane is a new Kaizer Chiefs player. Yeah, bafethu, I think Moloisane will be a good replacement of Edin McCarthy, because we all know ukuthi silimele with Edin McCarthy, but I think he can be a good replacement for him. And also that let's hope that Orashun Dot can come back earlier and go to a preseason with Amajisa and come back to a next season fit and able to play, because we'll need them both next season. Another thing that I have is that Kaizer Chiefs are also interested in signing the middle fielder Gape Moralo from Siwelele. So Gape Moralo is one player that is appreciated by Kaizer Chiefs management, and yeah. But what I can say right now, Kaizer Chiefs don't want to rush into signing, because they want to talk to Fernando de Cruz about the players that he wants to work with and the players that he wants to be able to work with. So the signings and what will come when the coach and the management they meet together and discuss which players the coach will want to sign and will want to release from the club. So Gapo Morale is other one to watch on the Kaizer Chiefs list. He's appreciated there. Khona omunye engimshiyayo khona uPhili, vele uPhili sikhulumile ngaye. uPhili is another player that will come, that might come to Kaizer Chiefs, to join Kaizer Chiefs. Khona omunye engimshiyayo semkhohliwe. But yeah, I think this is all bafethu about the signings and the official announcement of new players and the new coach. Bafethu, this is not all. Iwindi lisaselide kakhulu bafethu. Isaselinde kakhulu, sazogamanxela ngisho ku-August yabo. So Kaizer Chiefs, I hope will do a good work. As we all know, they also need a backup striker, a winger, yeah, something like that. But I hope they will do a good job in the market this season. Bafowethu, I think that's all enginiphathele khona namhlanje. Make sure ukuthi you subscribe to the channel, stay tuned to the channel, because ziningi iy'ndaba esazofika for Kaizer Chiefs, transfer news, new players, and everything that will happen. And also we'll be doing a watch along in this channel when Kaizer Chiefs is playing. So please stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you on another one.